Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Barrel. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove blank cells in Excel. This is our video number 25 and this is for Excel only for beginner. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see my data is here and you can see my blank cell is showing in many cells. So if I want to delete this, then manually what we do is we will select this range and delete this, like select the range and right click and delete. But this is it takes time, so how can we delete at once? So this is our data. First of all, we will select the range. This is my whole data, and then I have selected the range, and then I will go to Control Z. I'll press Ctrl Z, and you can see after pressing Ctrl Z it will go to the go to box, and we will select special, and after special you will see the other dialog box, and we will select the blank cell and hit OK. And wherever there is blank and it is highlighted, so these cells are going to be deleted. So to delete this at once, what we do is we will go to this highlighted cell and right click, and then you can see your delete and tap on delete, and this shift cell up. We will select the shift cell up and then hit OK. Now you can see my all data are blank cell are removed and remaining data are shifted upwards. So in this quick video we have learned how to remove blank shell. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily tips and tricks to learn in Excel, and I will see you in the next video.